Imagine discovering a restricted substances in your product after it's already shipped. Shipment delays, extra lab testing, or even rejected orders, it's a nightmare for manufacturers don't want to face. Luckily, there's a smarter way to catch this risk before it causes problems. Meet the Tthe Benchtop XR from JS Analytical. It's designed to help you check materials quickly and reliably without destroying your sample. Think of it as your early warning system for RoHS compliance. Here's how simple it is. Place your sample inside, close the chamber, and start the analysis. The Tthe uses X-Ray Fluorescence to detect which elements are in the material. The software then shows you the results clearly so you know exactly what's inside. And the best part, the sample stays intact, ready for the next check. RoHS rules restrict certain hazardous substances in electronics. These include like lead, cadmium, mercury, hexavalent chromium, and brominated flame retardants like PBB and PBDE. These substances can be hiding in your plating, solder, pigments, coatings, or plastic parts, even if everything was fine on the outside. That's why screening early is so important. Identifying potential compliance risks before sending the materials for full lab verification can save time, cost, and headache later. The Tthe works with almost everything you handle in electronics manufacturing. From printed circuit boards to cables, connectors, solder joints to plated components and plastic housing, you can screen it all. Use it for incoming inspection, production checks, or supply verification. Knowing what's inside your material, it gives you peace of mind. The benchtop design keeps things simple and stable. Small components, no problem. Routine testing, easy. Repeatable results, you got it. Compact, reliable, and it fits right into your workflow. No extra hassle. Beyond the machine, we're here to help you get it right. Our team guides you through setup, training, and workflow implementation. Need tips or technical advice? We've got your back. With the Tthe, you can screen materials confidently, catch potential compliance issue early, and save time, cost, and stress. Reach out to JS Analytical to see how we can help strengthen your quality control workflow.